Housewife versus career woman. Hi, we are Transform Media PH and I'm Kai, career woman or housewife.
I'm doing career talaga, tsaka hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na magstay lang sa bahay. Mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko na ipupursue yung career ko.
Mas may options ako if ever ganun. Kasi feeling ko kung housewife, mahihirapan ako like to do or to buy things that I want and I need.
Kasi po wala pa akong balak mag-asawa. Gusto ko po maging independent. Saka ipupursue ko lang po yung mga dreams ko, ganun.
Being a career woman means you're independent on your own. Kaya mo yung sarili mo, makakatayo ka. Kahit na ikaw lang mag-isa, kakayanin mo.
Right now, career woman sa edad ko. Pero eventually gusto ko na maging housewife. Hindi kasi madali maging housewife and feeling ko siya yung magiging anchor ng family. So, kailangan talaga ng isang household ng magbibigay ng direction. So, feeling ko vital yung pagiging housewife. Be real, transform!